Hi. Alright guys, so this video is to talk about conductors and insulators. And to mention them, we have to read like kind of the definition they have. Okay, a material through which a charge will not move easily, it's an electric insulator, and the material that allows charges to move about easily is called electric conductor. Okay, so remember that we're talking about electrons here. So if the electrons can move through the material easily, it's a conductor. If electrons cannot pass through the material, it's an insulator. Okay, so that's kind of the first point here, and here is shown in the image that insulators hold charges in a single place and charges don't move along, while in the conductor, if you charge a part of the conductor, it charges entirely. Now, perhaps we have the idea that metals are the only conductors we have, and that non-metals are insulators. Now, the truth is that some non-metals can actually be conductors as well. Okay, this is not a characteristic of the non-metals. However, we have a special case of non-metal that can be acting as a conductor. Okay, so this is also from your book. It's a part that's called Real World Physics. Okay, and I'm going to read it. Okay, but so you can read it by yourself. But anyway, I'm going to read it. It says it might be tempting to classify an element as solely a conductor or solely an insulator, but the classification can change depending on various factors, including the form the element takes. For example, carbon in the form of diamond is an insulator, but carbon in the form of graphite conducts charge. This is because differences in the bonding of the atoms, the carbon atoms in graphite allows some electron movement. As a result, graphite is a much better conductor than diamond, even though both are made of carbon atoms. So, as you can see here, carbon can act both as conductor or as an insulator depending on the arrangement of their atoms. Okay, now that's all for this video. It was only to show the difference between a conductor and an insulator. Now you have some work to do after this. You have to look for 5 examples of insulators and 5 examples of conductors and make a list. Okay, you can do it in your notebook or you can do it in OneNote. Okay, any of these two, you still have to upload it into your OneNote notebook, and that's all, guys.